This building is 179, 181 Court Street. It's a double building. Half of it is the 179 side, the other is 181. We are going to look at apartment 189 Court Street, apartment 3, which is on the 3rd floor. The 181 side has two entrances, but we're going to go in the inside entrance, and then we'll look at the outside entrance. The inside does have a keypad code. There's mailboxes in this side, so you would come here to get your mail. So this is the interior entrance, basically a common area for both sides of the building. There's also a coin op for the building, so it is right here on the 2nd floor. Down this hallway, there's 2 washers, 2 dryers. So that's very convenient to have the laundry on site. So again, we're going to look at 181 number 3 Court Street. So again, this is on the 3rd floor. These are very nice apartments. They've been renovated. They're kind of loft style. They do have the brick wall on the stairway here. Pretty nicely done, kind of upscale style. Have the shelf here on this wall. They have a pot rack over the stove. Nice stainless appliances. Some pretty good counter and cupboard space. Appliances are pretty new here. Put in just, probably last 2 or 3 years. And then over here, there's a really nice big pantry. It does have a light too, which is pretty convenient. So lots and lots of room for storage there. It's nice and deep. There's also a little bit of room here at the top of the stairs where you could have maybe a little table, a high top table. There's room for that, and a couple of chairs if you wanted to. And then here's the living room. It is a pretty decent size. It's not huge, but it's a pretty good size. You'd probably put your couch over here on this wall. And TV over on this wall. It's between the back door and the window. And then you might have room for a chair over here, maybe a coffee table or end table, so forth. This is the bathroom over here. It does have a shower. Again, this is all pretty new. There's your vanity with some storage underneath. And this was all recently painted. The flooring is pretty new, wood laminate flooring, so it's easy clean. The only place there's carpet is in the bedroom. I guess while we're here, we can take a look out at the outside entry. So this is a stairway that goes down to the parking area. This is a covered stairway, so you don't have to worry about snow in the wintertime. The parking area is right down there at the end of the stairway, so that's parking for the 181 Court Street side of the building. So most people do use the outside entry because they just park there, come right up the stairway. So we do have this outside entry. And then off the living room here is the bedroom, and this is a really, really huge bedroom. It does have carpet, kind of a Berber style carpet, low nap. Have a window in the front. Then you have a couple of skylights, which are really, really nice. They let some light in. Otherwise, you wouldn't get much light in here, but Those are really nice. Again, really, really huge living room. Bedroom. And has a closet here. Has a shelf at the top. This is really deep. Does have a rod for hanging things, but it's pretty deep so that you'd have plenty of room. You could put a small bureau in there, something if you wanted to as well. So again, really, really huge, kind of like a double-sized bedroom. So if you need to store things, you could also do that here in the bedroom. So that concludes the video tour of 181 Court Street. It's on the corner of Court Street and Ohio Street in Bangor, a great location. If you have any questions, you can contact us at 207-974-6606 or visit our website at rentbangor.com.